Hello everybody. So today there is no school, holiday for children, so we are going out somewhere, taking them for a small drive. So whole family is here. My Nohai is also here. Here he is. And then here Jason. Say hi Mama. Kardom. Selagda Mama. Kardom. And here Chuchu. Mommy, say Kardom.
Kardom.
Okay. Here Dumi, say Kardom. Kardom. Very good. And here, where is Big Nini here? Kardom. Kardom. And here, Daddy is driving. Okay. You are so pretty, right, Mommy? Oh, you are so pretty. Today we came to Paklongkam Waterfall. We just wanted to show our children because they were feeling bored at home. It's always school, home, so it's quite boring for them. So even though I've been here so many times, but I never get enough. I always want to come to this place because this place is beautiful, beautiful. So let me show you. I'm already here, Paklongkam Waterfall. So let me go near and show you all, okay? As you can see, the beautiful waterfall here. This is just one of the waterfall in Karbi Anglong. There are many, many more beautiful waterfall around Karbi Anglong. This is just one of the beautiful example that we have, in East Karbi Anglong. There are many more beautiful waterfall in West Karbi Anglong side as well. So since today is a holiday for our children, so we just brought them here so that they can, refresh their mind, because sometimes it's just always confined inside the house. It's not healthy for children. Sometimes it's just school, home, and there's no other activities. So whenever we get time, we always take them around. So today we thought we'll just bring them here to see waterfall. Today even the weather is very hot. So as you can see, it's beautiful. And let's see how children are enjoying, okay? And the children are just enjoying here. Oh, Baba, I might fall. Hi, Jason. Are you enjoying? Okay. Dimi, are you enjoying? Yeah. Chuchu, are you enjoying? Yeah. Okay. And Big Didi, enjoying, right? Yeah. And see, they have so many tables. And let's see the waterfall. It's so beautiful. Let me zoom it for you. Look here. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. This is Karbi Anglong, guys. It's very beautiful. From Tarabasa, it's about how many kilometers will be there, Daddy, from Tarabasa to here? Yeah, 30 to 35 kilometers from Tarabasa. It's not very far, and it's so pleasant here. Mountain, greenery here. Beautiful waterfall. Be careful, Chuchu, don't stand like that, please. is all steps. Like 3 years back when we came here, all these things were not here. So they have made all this like this in Paklongkam Waterfall. It's become very easy to climb up here, and we can see the better view. And they made the road very well.